how to use note repeat in Logic Pro X. This is an amazing tool I find myself using on every single track. It's not available as the default drop down or plug in anywhere. You have to actually go into your settings and enable it into your key commands first. Go to key commands, edit assignments, and look for note repeat. There you have it, note repeat. Click on it and actually assign a key command to it. Mine is Control 1. So when I press Control 1, it pops up this little window for me. When I drop down, it gives me the option to set it to a modulation wheel and set my range from 16ths to 64ths. And when this is enabled and you're on a drum layer and you, let's say, have a hi-hat selected, I'm going at 1/16 right now. And as I move the mod wheel up, I'm going to 132 to 164. Okay, so this comes in really handy when trying to juggle those hi-hats and juggle those snares. In fact, I'll just record a little something here with some variation to it. Okay, there we go. I'm going to move that over and do this again, except this time I'm going to go from this to triplets. So we'll start at 112. And we'll go to 148. And then we'll just select the T here for triplets. Okay, so that should give us our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to lay some snares and actually roll them as well, and then pitch them down as they roll. Sounds really good. Okay, now I'm just going to pitch bend. Now I'm just going to lay some kicks and snares. Now I'm just going to copy this over. I'm going to move this piano over. So now we have triplets and then we have the 8ths and 16ths. We'll hear a bit of a change up. Okay, and that's how you open and use the note repeat tool in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.